Okay, welcome back. Please remember, visit mathematicsclass.org and support my work here. We're at question 5 on the January 2017 CSEC paper. Let's look at question 5a. Triangle PQR. So it's PQR and STR. Triangle STR are similar triangles. Remember what similar triangles mean? Same shape, but they can be of different sizes. Alright? The sides can be of different lengths. They say to complete the following statement. In the diagram above, the corresponding angles, angle PQR. So they're talking about angle PQR, this angle, and angle STR, angle STR, this angle, are, what would you say? And the of their corresponding side sides are the same. Alright. Here, if you remember about your similar triangles, you would say angle PQR and STR. You can see that one thing you can say is that they are equal. They are equal angles. They are corresponding angles as well. Alright? Saying that they're corresponding angles amounts to the same argument. Alright? My handwriting not first class here, trying to fit this in within this space, but it's corresponding, and the of their corresponding sides are the same. The what would you say? The ratios of their corresponding sides are the same. Alright? So they are equal or corresponding. They are equal and the ratios of their corresponding sides are the same. So here, let's just stick with equal. They are EQUAL. In the diagram above, the corresponding angles of PQR, this and this are equal. Same thing as saying PQR, this and this, they are equal. Well, this one applies to both triangles at the same time, so they are equal. Now let us erase what we have up here. In the diagram above, not drawn to scale, RS, that is RS, this length, and SP, this length, and S is 9, RS is 15, SP is 9, ST is 12, ST, this length, is 12. Okay, determine the length of PQ. You want the length of PQ. Now you're going to want this length, but what they say, let me just get rid of these marks. You identify the sides. So let's see what the let's just write on the dimensions. RS is 15. Good. SP is 9. SP here is 9. ST is 12. ST is 12. They want PQ, from P to Q. That's what they want. Right? This length. Want the length from P to Q. Good. Now, here, the ratios of their corresponding sides. The 15, first of all, let me say, the big triangle, PQR, the length of PQR over the length of STR will be the same. Now, PQ, therefore, you have P to R, all of this length from P to R, you see that? All of this length from P to R. P to R, we're not dealing with division here. P from P to R divided by from S to R. They say RS. So let's stick with that. Let's change this around. I don't want to get rid of this thing here. Alright. They're going this way, downwards, because they say RS. So let's go this way. From R to P all the way, which applies to the big triangle, PQR. From R to P, RP divided by from S to P, SP. Right? You see that? This side over this side. And what I could do to, is put the triangles over here separately. This is the small triangle. This is the big triangle. So you can see clearly. This is R, this is S, this is T, this is R, this is P, this is Q. You see that? So from R to S, same thing from R to S. Over from R to P on the big triangle, R to P. Oh, from R to P, I should say here. Let me use R to P. Right? The ratios is going to be the same ratio, in the same ratio. This side, S to T, S to T, over P to Q, P to Q, same thing, PQ. You see that? ST is on the small triangle, PQ, and no, ST is on the small triangle, yeah. PQ is on the big triangle. ST on the small triangle, PQ is on the big triangle. Same triangles, just that I put them aside. So what you're going to say here now is that just like how these are in the same ratio, P, RP and RQ is on the same ratio. Alright, I still had this. Let me get rid of this. Now let's see how we can apply this argument to find the lengths of the sides. RP, R to P, all the way here. You notice what RP is. It's not 15 and it's not 9. It's 15 plus 9 because RP goes all the way down here. You see that? So it's 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, that's what? 24. 24 over, and this is RP to RS. Should have been S to RS. RP to RS. So this side of the big triangle over this side of the small triangle is RP to RS. RS is how much? It's 15. Is equal to, let's see, ST. ST is the bottom of the small triangle. So the bottom of the small triangle over the bottom of the big triangle is in the same ratio, right? Side of the big over side of the small is side of the big, next side of the big over next side of the small. So ST from S to T is 12 over, from S to T, the bottom of the small triangle, it's a big triangle over the small I'm doing. I shouldn't have the 12 up there. It's big over small because RP, the 24 over the small 15. So let's stick to the big over small. So what that means is PQ, the bottom of the big triangle over the bottom of a small triangle, ST, but ST is 12. Now you see that? Now you can work that out and find the triangle. Remember, you wouldn't work much faster to keep within the time of the exam, but I want you to fully understand what's happening as you solve the problem here. So I'm going slowly. So here now, you multiply both sides by 12. So you have 24 over 15 is equal to PQ over 12. If you multiply by 12, and the reason why you multiply by 12 is because you want PQ equal, you don't want PQ over 12 equal. It's PQ you want to find, so you want PQ alone equal, so get rid of the 12. Multiply by 12 over here, multiply by 12 over here. So let's put PQ on the left hand side. PQ is equal to, and this on the right hand side, 24 by 12 over 15. You see that? Now see if we can simplify somewhat. 3 into 12 is 4, and 3 into 15 5. So this comes down to 24 by 4 over 5. Right? Quickly, 24 by 4. So 24 multiply by 4. My calculator. Yeah, 24 by 4 just to save time and stress. It's 96, so it's 96 over 5. 96 over 5 equal 19.2. So we have 19.2 is in what? Centimeter? Yeah, centimeters. Okay. So, quick review. RS is 15, SP is 9, ST is 12. You must find PQ. Remember, it's ratio. Sides of big triangle over small triangle are all the same. The ratio of the small over big is the same too, but we're doing big over small for this video. So big triangle, the left RP is 24 over the left of the small triangle RS is 15. So remember, it's the same 15 here, and this is 24. This is the 12, and this is PQ, what we want to find. So this, all of this over this, big over small triangle side, 24 over 9 over 15, I mean over this, right? Good. all of this for the big triangle over all of this for the small triangle is equal to the bottom PQ, all of this, over the 12. Right? So PQ is equal to 24 over 15 by 12, and then we cancel down, multiply both sides by 12, and cancel down 3 into 12, 4, 3 into 15, 5, 24 by 4 over 5, and we get 19.2 cm. So that's it for now. I'll see you a bit later on with the next part of the question.